Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Original. Now I will give you a tutorial how to install Messenger for your Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss off our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let's go to the started. First, we go to the Play Store application that you have been to install it. Play Store, tap on. And after that, in the upper of the bar here, there is a half a blank bar. You can fill for the messenger. And after you tap for the messenger, please tap on for the install. There is have a two option for you. The first one now offer any networks, and the second one when Wi-Fi is available. So now I don't like connection for the Wi-Fi, so I choose the one of the option here. Now offer any network, and please tap on for the OK. Okay, the messenger is installed for your cell phone. Let's go to the profile to see the messenger is installed or not. And now you can see the messenger is installed for you. It's very simple way to do it. Okay, I think it's enough to install the messenger for your Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention. Have a nice day and bye.